Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, the National Works Agency, NWA, says all is being done to ensure the completion of the corporate area road projects in time for the busy Christmas season.
But there is skepticism given the apparent new phase of the project, which involves the National Water Commission. Just when we thought the corporate area roadwork was coming to an end,
the road now, so it fix, and so then come and dig it up. So that simply means there's something all right somewhere along the line.
That's the case on Hagley Park Road and Constant Spring Road as well.
If you look going back down Constant Spring, dig up, right back. Fresh road where them just built.
This has left many to wonder, when will it end? For over a year, motorists and businesses in road construction zones have had to endure major inconvenience. The projects were expected to be completed at first on June 12, 2019, then September 30, 2019. It's now November 29, 2019. In the 3 miles area, complaints about water.
We don't have no water. Look how much water that I run. And you know how much time this is one road bus? And if you go further down the line, I pay a bus in. So tell me what I go on. My customer them last. Who don't join wash out, then can't find nowhere. Business mash up for me.
I don't understand why when the China Harbour did come in and started the roadwork from that time, NWC never came in that time and started the process while all of the digging up, while when the road almost finished now, them come back and dig up and all of that.
On Constant Spring Road, the work being undertaken by the National Water Commission at times has resulted in traffic delays. Communications manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says the projects are in the final phase. The National Water Commission is replacing old pipelines and sewer lines. The work should have been completed weeks ago, but Mr. Shaw says there have been setbacks.
We found out during the testing process of the new line that sections had been breached, either and inadvertently so, when for example, cables were being relayed, when holes were being bored for different purposes. Through inadvertence, some of these lines became ruptured, and of course, you have to fix them.
There are also similar issues in the 3 miles area.
This past weekend, we had a major shutdown to connect the water systems at the 3 miles underpass or overpass, if you may. We have some more of that to do leading off Hagley Park Road. There are some defective works that have to be corrected, but all in all, Hagley Park Road is open and it has been in use by the motoring public.
So a new timeline for the completion of the roadwork in the corporate area. Mid-December, where the pipes have been laid, the road is being paved, as is the case on South Camp Road. Mr. Shaw says by December 6, that project will be completed. Traffic signals will be installed at Arnold Road and at the new entrance for the Jamaica Defence Force.